Hi my dear friends, welcome back to another Python tutorial class. In this class, we shall see the index function or the index method that we use pretty much in case of strings. Now here you have a sentence or a string value, and that is they are studying Python, and this is stored in this variable str1. How to use this index method of string? Print. See, what does this index method actually says? From left to right, it gives back the index of the character's first occurrence. Okay, from left to right, it gives back the index of the character's first occurrence. Here you have so many characters, and if you want to know the index position of a particular character occurring from left to right, then the first occurrence of that character, whenever the whenever that character appears for the first time, then the index position of that particular character shall be returned considering from left to right. That's how the function will operate. So print str1 dot, because we use the dot operator to access a method, so that's why here dot, then give the name of the method, which is index, and then in case of method we have to give the brackets. Inside the brackets you can place any character. Say suppose I place here small e and run this cell. It returns it returns 2. This is the index position of this is the index position of e. Now how does it occur here? See, 0, this is the zeroth index position for capital T. This is 1, that is the next index position, which is for this small h. Then here you have 2, which is the index position for small e, and that's what appears here. Here you see in this entire sentence how many times e appears. They are studying Python. Okay, now here e appears for the first time, here E appears for the second time. So altogether E appears in this entire sentence 2 times. And this index method shall return the index position of the first occurrence of the character E occurring from left to right. So this is the first E encountered, its index position from left to right shall be returned. Now let us try something else. Print str1 dot index, and say suppose u, small u I give, and run this cell. It returns 11. Okay, so this 11 is nothing but the index position of this character u, which must have occurred for the first time. Although in this entire sentence u has occurred only once, that is here, and this is the index position of u. You can see here, up to here it was 2, the index position, then 3, then space character, the index position is 4, then for small a it is 5, r it is 6, e it is 7, space character 8, then here 9, 10, and for u it is 11 index position. Now suppose I want to use it like this. Print str1 dot index, and I want to write here e. I'm going for e, and starting from third index position. Now what will happen? Basically, the with the help of this index method, Python will look from the third index position, that varies e. Starting from the third index position of that entire string value, Python will look for this character e. Now let us see how does it operate. 0, 1, 2. Okay, this small e is at index position number 2, and Python will start looking from index position number 3. That is, Python will start looking from here, that is small y, because I have given you instruction here, that's why. So this is third index position, 3 index position, then space character is at fourth index position, a is at fifth, r is at sixth, and here first time e has appeared. So your Python starts looking for character e. Python, it starts looking for character e right from the third index position. This is the zeroth index position, first index position, second index position, and Python will start looking for e starting from here, that is starting from the third index position, and it shall return the index position of this character e. Because for Python, as it starts looking from the third index position, this is the first time here where character e has appeared. and it occupies index position number 7. Okay, then print, suppose str1 dot index, and I give here, suppose again character e only I give, and I give it from 4 to, I give it from 4 comma 8, 4 comma 8. Okay, so now what will happen? Python will be again looking for this character e and shall begin its journey from the fourth index position. Okay, it shall, that is, this is the start index, this 4 is the start index, and this 8 is the stop index. And we know that stop index is always excluded. So stop index 8 will be excluded, and Python will go up to that particular value which appears just before 8. Just before 8, what appears? 7. So in reality, Python will be looking from index position number 4 to index position number 7. Okay, from left to right of the string value, Python will begin its search journey from index position number 4, and it shall continue up to index position number 7 looking for this character E. Now, where is the fourth index position? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So here you have the space character. Space character is at fourth index position. So Python will start looking for this character E starting from this space character, that is starting from the fourth index position, and it will go up to the seventh index position because the stop index is 8 and stop index we know is always excluded. So Python will go just before the stop index. So Python will go up to 7 because its 7 is the one which appears just before 8, and it will begin its journey from the fourth index position. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Python will go up to here only. Python will go up to here only, not beyond that. So the function of index method is it gives back the index of the character's first occurrence. So starting from the space character, then it encounters character A, character R, and it has found the first occurrence of character E. So Python will return the index position of this particular character E, and 7 we get again. Okay, then print str1 dot index, and here suppose I give this particular thing R, or I give Python. I give Python. Now what will happen? Here index method is applied, and initially we saw we were applying here or inserting here characters. Here a character, here a character, here a character, character. But now an entire word has been inserted here. It is like a substring. Okay. Python here is nothing but this entire word, which is nothing but a substring of this entire string. So here what will happen? It shall return the index position. Here, when we apply the index method, then Python will return the index position of this character P, which has occurred in this word Python. So let us run this cell, and it is 18. As you can see here, up to here, the index position is 5. Up to here, let us see. This character here, the index position is 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and capital P of Python has occurred here at index position number 18. So basically this substring will be looked out at first, that is Python will be looked out at first inside the string, and once Python is located, then it shall return, or our Python shall return the index position of the first character of this word Python, and the index position of this first character P occurring in this word Python is nothing but your 18. That's what will be returned. And regarding to other methods of strings, we shall see them in the next classes. This is just for your idea how we can use the index method for finding out index positions. So that's it for this class, and if you like this video, then you can hit the like, share and subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications. So thank you.